Hello folks. It's Sunday. It's raining. And I'm having my coffee. This is coffee number 2. Hey, you want to see? I have a YMCA pass. We all got free YMCA memberships. My 5, 6, 7, well, all of the classes at the school went on a tour of the YMCA. We have a really nice YMCA. And just for the hell of it, we all got free memberships, including the teachers. I didn't think the teachers were going to get this, but they said, oh no, we're being nice. So I have a 3-month membership to the YMCA. And it kicks in, struggling here, whenever you pay your first visit. So I think it's pretty much a waste for me to go at this time of year. But come winter, when the snow flies and the ice is everywhere, and it makes for hard walking, we'll be there because I have a really nice walking track, running track. I have a pool, and I like to swim, but not just now. So that's all right. And I want a mug. No, I got a mug for being a teacher, which is kind of weird, but whatever. I guess that's teacher side benefits. And I want a t-shirt. I want this t-shirt, which says property of YMCA Strong Kids Campaign. YMCA Kids Campaign, yeah. I think I'll keep that for a prize for something. Yeah. Okay. I'm not really a big prize giver, but maybe I'll think up something. Some teachers hand out prizes for things, like randomly give out interesting pencils and stuff like that, but I don't know. That's not me. I don't think that's my class. Anyway, so I'm having my coffee, and I was already at the school doing my photocopying for the week. So that's cool, that's done. So now all I have to do is get my evening classes and my literacy morning classes ready. That's pretty cool, yeah. I think I'm going to be able to handle that. Hang on a second. Isn't that cool? It's huge. Well, I love the red. I can't wear that red because it's too orange, but it's striking. I don't think I'll drink out of this mug, but made in China. I'm sure the YMCA wouldn't hand out mugs that were not drinkable out of, but I think that's stoneware. Anyway, I like it. I don't know what I'll do with it. I don't feel like handing that out as a prize. That would mean I'd have to cart it back to school, and that's just way too much effort. So I'm avoiding getting to it, but all I have to do is do my night classes and my morning classes. That may sound like a lot, but really it's not. On the other hand, I may have an observer again. I'm not sure if it's this week, but when I sent in the hours that my observer had been in, or been at, whatever, the hours for my observer last time. The other day, Laura emailed me back and said, could you take on another observer for a couple of nights? So maybe it's not like I do good work. And, you know, what can you observe from 2 classes? Massive incompetence? No. You only saw 2 classes. I have fun, and I'm not incompetent. Sort of. Whatever. Okay. Back to work. See ya.